Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie in a mermaid's tail. I don't know what the title is fully. I'm sorry, but I did use VIP and I did use a Roblox item, but you can replace some of the stuff with non-VIP, non-Roblox stuff. So this is just what I did for mine. I'm going to remove everything except for the adjustments that I did. So, oh my gosh, I deleted the crown. Anyways, I selected this hair in the back only, colored it. The first one, this EEB4DC, the second one, FF8983. For the adjustments, I just did position Z at 0.58, rotation X at 0.77. Then I used this one in this color, FF9B9B. Positioned it Y at 0.54, Z 0.61, and then I used this in that same blonde color and then that pink color. Positioned it at, I didn't really move anything on this one. Then for the flower, it's for like the top leader. I colored it this color, this pink, and this other pink. Positioned it at X 0.58, Y at 0, Z 0.48, rotation X at 0.79, Y at 1. Scale it all the way down to 0. Okay, for the fit, I am going to use, where is it? This one, this top. In this top here, in this color, sorry. FF8983. And then I also use this in that same color for everything. Like so. Where did the flower go? Hold on. I need to adjust it a little bit more. There we go. So you guys can see the flower a bit here. Maybe adjust it to your outfit a little bit better. And then for the fit, wait, did I not add glitter to this? Hold on, make sure you add glitter to everything here. And then I'm going to use the mermaid's tail. I'm going to use this one in this color, EF83BO. And then I'm going to select this color here, 9D1638, and then this orange sort of color, F88A61. I might make this one a little bit lighter. Oops. A little bit lighter, and then add that orange back in. Make that a little bit brighter, sorry. Then for the skirt, I use this one in only skirt in that color in glitter. Then I'm just going to go to the VIP section to add on more stuff. I use the skirt as well in that same orange and glitter. And this too, just color everything in that glitter here. And orange, sorry. And then I am going to add this on in the second toggle in that same pink and add glitter to that as well. Then I'm just going to add this. This is just for more stuff, only pearls, and just color it the same pink as everything else. For the crown, I just use this one in kind of the same color-ish, but darker. I'm just going to kind of rotate it and position it so it's where it's supposed to be, like here, I guess. And then I added pink. I am going to adjust the color a little bit on that. Maybe this color, D89F7E. Similar to kind of her hair. Her hair is supposed to be a little bit more blonde, to be honest. Let me change that to, let's see, this one. Let's do this hair color. Okay, let's do F6979 on those two hairs. Let me see if this is better blonde or pink. I'm gonna still do that pink. Anyways, let's see if I'm missing anything. I'm like looking at the picture on my left here. Ooh, maybe add like a small little henna on the arm because she does look like she has a tattoo. Where is it? Is it here? Yes, it's this one. I'm just going to color it like purple, well, like a little bit brighter maybe. Maybe this color. Okay, I think that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!